How to fix Valorant? We could not install a required dependency. First step, open Riot client, click profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. Click Valorant, click repair and start repair. Wait for some time. Once it's complete after, it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK. Next step, search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. Next step, open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space in C drive. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it. Click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Microsoft Visual C++. Click the three dot icon in the right hand side, click modify and click repair. Do it for both 64 and 86 bit. Click repair, close it. Next step, search for CMD. Right click, click run as administrator and type the following text sfc /scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. This process will take some time. The verification is ongoing. Once complete after, it will throw up the message if there is any corrupted files having means there is no corrupted file. Exit it. And the last and final step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or features for Windows Defender Firewall and click change settings. Scroll down. Search for Riot client. It should be enabled in both private and public. Scroll down and search for Valorant. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click allow another app, click browse, go to C drive and add it. After adding, enable both private and public. Close it and restart your device.